I've got a great gift idea for you if you're looking for tiny little babies. I love these kinds of things. This comes beautifully packaged. Each of them is individually wrapped so they can be opened up like each one is an individual gift. All the little pieces are absolutely adorable. We've got this bed here, and on top of the bed, we've got the pillow and the blanket. We have the wardrobe, mirror, a little thing to hang clothes up on, and then the baby itself, which is absolutely adorable. It's so soft and squishy. The diaper is mighty big for this baby, but it works okay. I love that this baby is so tiny and it feels so nice, very rubbery like. The bib is also rather big. The clothes don't fit this baby very good, but regardless, it is super cute. And then this little swaddling blanket and this little hat, all just absolutely adorable together. Perfect little setup. And if you have anybody in your life who likes little dolls, that is recommended by me. If you like these kinds of reviews or any reviews, subscribe to my channel because I review this kind of stuff all the time. If you like miniatures, tell me what the last miniature you created or made was. See you real soon.